Hey, Glows, what's up, man?
Hey, Rory, how's it going?
Not much. I had to bike here today, though, because gas prices are really high.
Yeah, that's what I heard. But I heard about this new energy source called hydrogen. I heard it's really, really great.
Really? That sounds kind of familiar. Why don't you tell me a little bit more about it?
Well, hydrogen, a fuel cell converts the chemicals hydrogen and oxygen into water, and in the process it produces electricity. The hydrogen fuel cells operate similar to a battery that you would find in like a remote or something. Oxygen passes over one electrolyte and hydrogen over the other. The electrons flow out to a cell that is used as electrical energy. The hydrogen ions move through the electrolyte membrane to the cathode electrolyte, where they combine with oxygen and the electrons to produce water. Unlike a battery, though, the fuel cells never run out.
Well, that sounds pretty cool. How do you create hydrogen energy?
Well, Rory, hydrogen is found on Earth only in combination with other elements such as oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. To use hydrogen, it must be separated from these other elements.
That's really cool, Jack. I would like to know more about that.
Well, Rory, take a listen. This is a very unique kind of energy. There are 3 ways to store it. The first way to store hydrogen is called liquefaction. The hydrogen is chilled to a near absolute zero, and hydrogen gas turns into a liquid containing 1/4 the energy in the equivalent volume of gasoline. The only problem with this is the tanks are very expensive and bulky. Also, it takes a lot of energy to store this way. The second way to store hydrogen is called compression. Problems are the storage tanks are 4 to 5 times larger than regular gas tanks, but go the same mileage. The third way to store hydrogen is called solid state. Certain compounds can trap hydrogen molecules at room temperature and room pressure, then release them upon demand. Home energy use is also another option to use hydrogen.
Hold on, Jack. I think I've heard of this energy before. Let me share my knowledge with you. Now, I heard from a friend that it is harder to produce hydrogen energy than other energies because you have to extract it from other sources of matter.
Wow, Rory, I didn't know about your knowledge on this subject. It sounds kind of bad.
Well, now you know. Well, all energies have their drawbacks. I mean, with the right technology, hydrogen power can become really useful.
How much does it cost to produce hydrogen?
Well, factoring in all the manufacturing and extracting the hydrogen from other matter, it's highly expensive. It's also in a highly competitive market with gasoline that isn't at its true price and is making it hard for hydrogen to occur.
Wow, Rory, you really know your stuff.
It pays to be informed.
Okay.